In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts, marketing, and automation in HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical panel with different tabs and pages. This is your main navigation hub, and it's where you'll switch between managing your data, building campaigns, and automating routine tasks. First, let's manage your contacts. Click on the CRM area, then select Contacts. This is the heartbeat of your HubSpot setup. Here you can view everyone in your database, whether they're leads, customers, or partners. You can add contacts individually if you're working with a handful of people, or prepare imports if you're moving over a list from another system. As you work, pay attention to contact properties like email, lifecycle stage, and lead status. They make filtering and reporting much easier later on. Within contacts, you can also create segments. Segments are essentially saved filters that group people who share something in common, such as location, industry, or activity, like recent form submissions. These segments help you target messages precisely and keep your lists clean. A tip here: name your segments clearly and be consistent with the properties you use so your team can quickly understand who's inside each audience. Now move to the Marketing tab. This is where you'll build the assets that bring your strategy to life. You can create campaigns to tie your marketing activities together and track performance in one place. Forms help you capture new leads directly from your website or landing pages, and you can tailor fields to collect just the information you need. Events let you track engagement from things like webinars or live sessions, while the email section is where you'll build newsletters, announcements, and nurture sequences. Remember to preview your emails on desktop and mobile, and always keep an eye on deliverability and permission settings. Next, head over to the Automation tab. This is where you set up workflows to handle repetitive tasks for you. For example, you can assign new leads to the right owner as soon as they come in, or send a timely welcome email when someone joins your list. Use clear enrollment triggers, add delays where appropriate, and include internal notifications so your team stays informed. Before turning a workflow on, test it with sample data to make sure each step behaves as expected. That's it. With contacts, marketing, and automation working together, you'll keep your database organized, your messaging targeted, and your processes efficient.